If you're in the construction business, this material is for you. In a matter of minutes, it will make a lasting impression of a modern construction concept that will save you a great amount of money, time, worries, and effort. Treaty Panel. Stronger than block, more versatile than wood frame, and faster than either. Treaty Panel can be used to build up just about any type of construction, from a small house to a several stories high building, because it gives you all the advantages you could ask for. Treaty Panel is the most effective construction system worldwide. A great design flexibility, reduction of heavy equipment on job site, requirement of fewer specialized trades, simplified utility installation, greater structural integrity and resistance, amazing reduction of general construction time, which means earlier completion and earlier occupancy, an excellent thermal and noise barrier. It does not contribute to fire and is non-toxic, lower maintenance costs, and environmental friendliness and termite resistance. These are the reasons why Treaty Panel is making a truly revolutionary impact on today's global construction methods. The components of this innovative panel system, developed by EVG of Austria and manufactured by Panelmex of Mexicali, Baja California, Mexico, are quite simple. A modified expanded polystyrene core, 2 outer layers of 2-inch by 2-inch welded wire mesh, and galvanized 9-gauge truss wires that pierce the core, machine welded to both mesh layers. Each 3D panel is 4 feet wide by any length required up to 40 feet. It can be provided in different types and thicknesses of insulating cores, as well as different gauges of mesh, either bright or galvanized. 3D panels are produced to meet exact tolerances using EVG's state-of-the-art technology to guarantee the consistent high quality of the product. The panel's amazing lightweight yields dramatic advantages in lower shipping costs, easy job site handling, and fast assembly and installation. Entire walls can be erected in a matter of hours. Therefore, complete buildings can be finished in weeks, even with non-skilled labor. Placed over slab-embedded steel dowels, the 3D panels are joined to one another. Seams and corners are covered with strips of wire mesh for continuity of reinforcement. Windows and door openings are quickly cut to accommodate any type of framing material. The space between the mesh and the core allows for the rapid placement and routing of electrical conduit and plumbing. The last step is to field apply concrete to the desired thickness, producing a monolithic, solid structure. Any type of exterior surface texture treatment can be applied over the concrete. Treaty Panel is an extraordinary thermal and noise barrier. It will hold the heat inside the house during winter and leave it out during summer months. And wherever noise is a problem, there's no other material like Treaty Panel to solve it. Treaty Panel EVG meets CABO 1 and 2-story dwelling codes, Compliance Report NER-454, which satisfies all SBCCI, ICBO, and BOCA requirements for standard buildings. 3D panels also have HUD compliance covered under SEB number 1120. After rigorous tests involving extraordinary forces and conditions, Treaty Panel has excelled. Results of wind load and load-bearing tests are startling, meaning that the 3D EVG panel system is adaptable to virtually any structural requirement or climatic, environmental, or seismic condition. It is also an excellent fire retardant material. A Treaty Panel wall with 1.5-inch thick plaster can retard fire for as long as 1.5 hours. When it comes to structural resistance, there's no other material like Treaty Panel. It has been proven outstanding in severe conditions such as erosion, hurricanes, flooding, earthquakes, and even car accidents. When using Treaty Panel, you can be sure it will hold together no matter what. Treaty Panel is limitless. It can be used in commercial office buildings, upscale homes, manufacturing and warehouse facilities, schools, correctional facilities, low-cost housing developments, sound barrier walls, fire privacy partition type walls, beachfront homes, or any other kind of construction. Keep in mind all the advantages Treaty Panel offers you. State-of-the-art technology, great design flexibility, dramatic heavy equipment reduction, fewer specialized trades, simple utility installation, extraordinary structural resistance, amazing reduction of construction time, earlier completion and earlier occupancy, an excellent thermal and noise barrier at the same time, fire resistant and non-toxic, low maintenance costs, environmental friendliness, termite resistant, and the most competitive price. What else can you ask for? Treaty Panel is changing construction methods worldwide. For more information, call us today.